In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add a white flash transition in Davinci Resolve 16. So for this, all you need to do is open up two clips, and then next up, you want to click on Effects Library right there. You need to click on Generators, so make sure you open up the toolbox, and then click on Generators, and then click on Solid Color. Select it, and then drag this over your transition, like where you want to have the transition. Now next up, you want to make sure that it's a quick transition, so you don't want to make this too long. So first of all, we're just going to cut this. So let's just take some of that, some of this side as well. So make sure that it's a quick, solid, and flash transition. And then all you need to do is select the solid color, just like that, and then click on Inspector right there. And then select the color from black, change the color from black to white. So select white, click on OK, and it should now be white. Let's actually confirm that by clicking right there. So this should now be white. Let's see. Yes, there we go. Okay, so step number 2 is clicking right here on this like diamond icon, and it's a timeline marker. So you want to click on this and then change the opacity to 0 when you're at the start of this solid color. So make this 0. Next up, go into the middle of your solid color, so of the transition. Once again, click right there and then change the opacity to 100. And then finally, drag this over to the end of your transition, which I'll do right now. Let's see if I can actually zoom in to about frames. Let's see if that works. There we go. And then once again, click on that icon and make this 0. Now, by doing this, you've actually just created your own white flash transition. And you'll see that if you then play that, you actually have the white flash transition. So that's exactly how you can do that. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.